Good day everyone, I am Jason Duran along with my members Christian Navarro, Ken Malakaman, and Dave R.V. Lopez. We are here to present to you our Project Art Gallery website. Throughout the making of this website, we use the combination of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to provide you with an immersive experience browsing our website. Now, to explore more about the overview of our website, I will present to you Mr. Dave R.V. Lopez.
Good day everyone. My name is Dave Arbes Lopez and today I will introduce you to our project, the Ambok Art Gallery website. This website is designed to provide a simple yet visually engaging platform to showcase various forms of arts, from paintings and sculptures to 3D artwork. The homepage welcomes visitors with an eye-catching design, including a prominent title and a brief introduction about the gallery. Our navigation bar ensures users can easily switch between sections, such as the gallery, artist bios, and contact page. The gallery page includes a mix of CSS styling and JavaScript functionality to make it interactive and visually appealing. The main purpose of this website is to celebrate and promote art in its many forms. Our target audience includes art enthusiasts, potential buyers, and artists who want to share their creations with the world. Let's take a look at some of the key features of this website. First, interactive navigation. A smooth navigation system allows users to explore the website effortlessly. The gallery page, a dynamic layout showcasing the different artworks. The artist bios, dedicated sections to highlight the creator behind the art. Contact page, a clean and simple form to connect with the gallery. And lastly, the team page, a page introducing our team, sharing our roles and contributions to the project. We use JavaScript to enhance the user's experience with features like image pop-ups or animations. One unique aspect of this project is how we integrated CSS for designing and JavaScript for interactivity to bring the gallery to life while maintaining a clean and professional look.
Ang aming content strategy naman ay nagre-revolves around providing high-quality images at mga insightful description ng mga artwork. We believe in the power of visual storytelling at mag-strive na lumikha ng mga immersive experience na nagbibigay buhay sa bawat art. Moving on to our overall user interface, ang Ombok Art Gallery website's design is clean, modern, and elegant na may neutral color scheme na nag-aalaw sa artworks na maging sentro ng entablado. We've carefully chosen typography and layout elements para i-enhance ang readability at kumuha ng isang visual appealing experience.
I-demo ko po sa inyo kung paano gamitin ang aming website. Dito po tayo sa homepage. Ang nakapangalan po dito ay Ombok Art Gallery. And dito naman sa Gallery Art, dito may kita ang iba't ibang klaseng artwork. Pag once na i-click mo yung paintings, lalabas yung iba't ibang klaseng paintings. And dito may kita ang iba't ibang pangalan ng mga paintings. And pag once na click mo yung isang painting, may kita ang isang pangalan ng isang painting. And makikita mo din ang size and kailan ginawa. And dito naman sa may artist profile, and dito makikita ang backgrounds niya. And para po sa mag-inquire, i-click lang po yung contact us, ilagay po yung name, email, message para kung ano po yung napili yung paintings or nagustuhan. And dito naman po sa our team, dito po makikita ang aking grupo na si Jason Duran, Dave Lopez, and Joshua Ken Malakaman.
And that is all for our presentation. We hope that you like the design, interactivity, and the responsiveness of our art gallery website. We really did make sure that this website is compatible with all screen sizes, even if you're using a laptop, mobile phones, or tablets. Our goal is to spread art and creativity for everyone to explore. So what are you waiting for? Come on and try out our website and explore the world of art with Ombok Art Gallery. Thank you very much.